Hello students, I am your physics teacher, and as you know that we are going through a hard times, that is our country is going through a lockdown of 21 days for which our schools, every educational institution is closed. So we are going to have online classes for class 12th, for which this session would particularly be talking about the curriculum for the physics for whole year. So first we will dividing the whole syllabus into units, which are there are 9 units in your whole syllabus, and that 9 units comprises of 14 chapters. So I am going to list out the chapters and the unit wise chapters and the weightage of each chapter in this particular session. So let's have a look for the whole curriculum of physics for class 12th. So there are 9 units which is divided into 14 chapters in whole. So first unit has 2 chapters, that is chapter 1, electric charges and fields. But our second chapter is electrostatic potential and capacitance. Then we have unit 2, which has one chapter, chapter 3, which is current electricity. So these 2 units have a weightage of 16 marks. These 2 units have a weightage of 16 marks in total. Now let's go to the next unit, that is unit 3, which has 2 chapters, chapter 4, moving charges and magnetism. Then we have chapter 5, that is magnetism and matter. Now let's move on to unit number 4, that is 2 chapters, chapter 6, electromagnetic induction. Then chapter 7, that is alternating current. These 2 units have a weightage of 17 marks. These two units, unit 3 and unit 4, have a weightage of 17 marks. Then next is unit 5, that is chapter 8, having only one chapter, that is electromagnetic waves. Unit 6, most important unit of the whole curriculum, chapter 9, that is ray optics and optical instruments. This unit has another chapter which is the most important chapter, chapter 10, wave optics. Most important chapter. This whole unit is for 18 marks. So beta ji, these are 6 units. Remaining 3 units are there, which I will be writing again. Now till unit 5, this is book 1. This is book 1. Now let's have a look on the other units, remaining units. You can note down these things and we will move on to the next thing, that is the other units. Till unit 6 we have moved on. Next is unit 7, which has only one chapter, that is chapter number 11, dual nature of matter and radiation. Unit 8 has two chapters, that is chapter 12, atoms, chapter 13, nuclei. These two units have a weightage of 12 marks. But the last unit of the syllabus, that is unit 9, which has only one chapter, that is chapter 14, semiconductor devices. This whole unit is for 7 marks. So in total we have 9 units and we have 14 chapters. In total we have 9 units and 14 chapters. Out of 8 chapters, that are the first 8 chapters are in book 1 and the remaining chapters are in book 2. So in this particular session we have discussed about the whole curriculum. What are the number of units, what are the number of chapters, what are the names of the chapters. So this is the brief introduction of our curriculum. So whatever time you're getting, I'm making 2-3 points, very important points to you. That is, in the meantime, which you are getting, as you are not going to school or any other, you are locked down in your homes. 2-3 things I want to make here is, first, do read, do work on your skills of differentiation and integration. Specifically डिफरेंशिएशन और इंटीग्रेशन में बच्चों को बहुत ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम आती है, तो उन स्किल्स के ऊपर बहुत अच्छे से वर्क करें. सेकंड थिंग, वेक्टर्स मैंने आप लोगों को 11 में भी कहा था, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है. बच्चों को प्रॉब्लम आती है उस टॉपिक में, इसलिए वेक्टर्स के ऊपर बहुत अच्छे से ध्यान दें. ये जो आपके पास टाइम मिल रहा है, उसको इस टाइम को बहुत अच्छे से यूटिलाइज करें और जो वेक्टर्स वाला पार्ट है उसको बहुत अच्छे से तैयार करें. वेक्टर्स, डिफरेंशिएशन एंड इंटीग्रेशन. Thank you so much.